Look at this. Holy crap. Dude. No way. I think this is a time where our street might flood. Oh my god. It is still pouring. Oh my god. Why? It just started pouring out of nowhere. Oh, I hear a car. Where is it? There it is. Dude. It just started raining out of nowhere. I need to move Uncle Sam back so he doesn't get hit by the wind or the rain. Okay, now it's starting to let up, so I'm gonna step out here just for a few seconds to look at the street. It's not really flooded. That's why we got a drain right there. It's probably no. It started pouring down right on me. Uncle Santa, I'm gonna deflate you, okay? Because you've been on for a few days. So I'm just gonna let you sit here. And you're gonna deflate, okay? Here, let me leave this door cracked so they know I'm out here. Yep. There we go. Whoa. Dude, what the? Why? How has this been caused? Okay then. I'm gonna go run over here and check on the water drain and see if it's been flooded or not. Whoa, look at this. This part right here is literally up to the bottom of my feet. That's really weird. Okay, run. Make sure you look both ways before you cross the street. Oh god, it just started pouring when I got out here. Oh my god. Look at all that. Holy crap. I gotta run back to my house, dude. It is starting to pour. Dude, it just started pouring. I'm gonna go get a towel and I'll see you guys in the next video.